everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today I'm going to show you how I hide threads. So first you're going to need your thread needle, or your yarn needle, sorry. You're going to go and you're going to hide your thread in the back of the work. And you're just going to go on this side only. I'm going through the loops. See how you can see my needle because it's only on this side of the loops. I'm going to pull that through, and I just give a tug from the direction I was coming from just so that I'm not distorting my stitches. Then I go a little bit behind where my working yarn is coming out from, and I go past it. So I go in a little behind and I go past, only on the loops on this side of my work, and that's called a back stitch. And I do that for a number of times. And that way you don't have to tie a whole bunch of knots. Your stitches stay nice and flat. And there you go, you just keep doing that. So do it for as long as you want or until your yarn is all gone. Cut it. And there you go, you've hidden your threads. So, in my bio is my link tree. Go there and you can go to my YouTube channel and see all kinds of full-length tutorials for crocheted and knitted projects. Thanks for watching. Bye now.